Well, hello everyone. It is almost Mother's Day. As a mother, I absolutely love having a day dedicated to just me, but I also know how hard it can be to come up with gifts, either gift ideas for your own mother or gift suggestions that your relatives ask for every year. Without fail, my family asks me what I want for Mother's Day and I come up a complete blank. Ask me any other day of the year and I can give you a list 10 miles long of things I would love to have. But when it actually comes time to receive gifts, I can't think of anything. So I'm hoping that some of my ideas can be helpful to you. All of these are from retailers that I regularly patronize myself, and I actually reached out to a few of them and got some discount codes to make this shopping experience even better. So let's get started with a retailer that I have had a very long relationship with, who I absolutely adore working with, and who I have like my dream collaboration coming up later this summer. Can't tell you more than that. And that is GiGi New York. So GiGi New York makes the most beautiful American-made, made in-house in their factory on Long Island, the most beautiful handbags, stationery, desk items, planners, etc. And they very generously have given me a 25% off coupon code. It is only good through this Sunday, so please take advantage of it while you can. And to help you narrow down your picks, I have 4. So the first one, without question, would be the #1 selling bag that I've recommended, which is the Andy crossbody bag. Now you're seeing it here in black and you're seeing it without the crossbody strap, because more often than not, I end up taking off the one that comes with it. It's just a matching leather adjustable strap and replacing it with one of the many decorative bag straps I have. But this bag, I have it in black, I have it in tan. It also currently comes in white, navy, a leopard calf hair. There might be a faux croc embossed leather as well. It is the most versatile crossbody bag. It's not structured, which is really nice. It has this flap. And then under the flap are 2 very generously sized slip pockets. It has a zip top, and then inside has more slip pockets going across the back, and then it's just a big open space with some tissue in there. I always have tissue. So that would be my #1 choice. 25% off makes a big dent in the price of this. If you are a tote person, let me recommend the Teddy Tote. Now, this one has been put up for a while, and I didn't stuff it, so shame on me, bad bag owner. But if I were to suggest any color, I really love the natural color, I believe it's called, which is or nude, which is actually a blush pink, or the stone color, which is the most beautiful neutral taupe. But it is a great traditional tote. It is open somewhat. It has 3 sections. So 2 sections are big, wide open. You could easily fit a laptop in either of these, but then it has an equally large middle zip section if you want to put something more securely in there. It has 2 slip pockets in the coordinating leather here, and then it has a zip pocket on this side, and then the whole thing snaps shut with a magnetic clasp there. Those are the 2 that I have. The other 2, I'm a big fan of hands-free crossbodies, and I think most mothers are, whether you're a new mom or let's call us experienced moms. We like having our hands free. So the other 2 bags I would recommend are either the Jen saddle bag that they've reissued in 2 new beautiful colors for summer. One is definitely a blush pink. The other one, they call it cappuccino. It's just a stunning kind of a taupe, but it's a little warmer taupe. And then the other one I would recommend is the Kit messenger bag, which actually reminds me a lot of my favorite Social Threads messenger bag that they constantly sell out of. But this one is a little more substantial real leather and has beautiful coordinating crossbody strap as well. So those are my top picks from GiGi New York to take advantage of that 25% off discount. And the code is MsGold25, and I'll put that down in the description box as well. Moving along to another coupon code. This one is with the Trusted Lab. And before I go any further, I have a very big Mother's Day giveaway starting May 1st on my Instagram with the Trusted Lab. I don't want to reveal too much, but it is a getaway. So it's not just products, it's actual hotel stay somewhere pretty awesome. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, and I'll put that link down in the description box, and I'll also have an eye up there for you to click if you want to follow me over there. Anyway, with the Trusted Lab, you may have heard me talking about, I love taking their soft gels in the evening to help me sleep through the night. I have started taking the wellness gummies. It has vitamin C, it has zinc, and it has a little bit of CBD in there as well. I take these every morning, well after I take my thyroid medication, I need to add. Well, they have a little gift set going on for Mother's Day, and it's called the Boho Mom Set, and it does include the wellness gummies and it includes the soft gels, but it also includes one of their bath bombs. I like using these paired with my favorite bubble bath because this is just like a fizzy bath bomb. There's not gonna be any bubbles. There is CBD in the bath bomb. I believe it's jasmine scented. And then also in there is a travel size of their salve or cream. I use this on bug bites, on any kind of skin irritant, works like a charm. And then my current favorite, there's some kind of, I don't know if I'm starting to get arthritis. I don't know what's happening with me. I'm getting older, weird things are happening, and occasionally I get this burning sensation in my knuckles. And what I've started doing is using their CBD gel, and that's also in this Boho Mom set, and it's a roller ball, and it has it has CBD in it, but it also has almost like, I don't wanna say Bengay, but it's that like heated sensation feeling. Like, don't get it on your lips, they'll go numb. And it's really helpful. I haven't taken any anti-inflammatories to help with it. This topical ointment or gel seems to do the trick. But anyway, those are all already discounted. I have a discount code with them. It's just my name, Marnie. It gives you 10% site-wide off. I should say that again. It gives you 10% off site-wide, even on stuff that's already on sale. So go ahead and use that. And then I'm done with the coupon codes. Then let's move on to one of my favorite retailers, Anthropologie. Anthropologie I think is really cool because they have everything. They have clothes, they have home, they have beauty. So Anthropologie for Mother's Day has a Mother's Day gift shop, and everything in that shop is 20% off. That's not my code, that's just straight up at Anthropologie. And there are literally over 1,200 items to choose from in their Mother's Day gift shop. I've only picked a few. There are 14 pages. I could have spent days basically shopping for myself. Okay, first of all, many of us will be invited to somebody else's home to celebrate Mother's Day if you're in a state or country that is allowing you to do that. Maybe you're invited to go have brunch with another family, what have you. So don't forget hostess gifts. And this popped out at me. Everybody loves that Capri Volcano scent that they have, their famous candle. Well, they currently offer a hand lotion and hand soap set in a brass holder, and it's scented that Capri Volcano scent. I think that is incredible. It would make a great gift if you know that the receiver loves that scent, but I think it's a really cool hostess gift. Maybe just get it now and save it for a future event where you know you need a hostess gift. Okay, moving on to actual Mother's Day gifts. I don't need a big gift. Like, that's just me. I am perfectly capable of buying whatever I want. I don't want my family, especially my kids, to be spending a lot of money on me. I love a good coffee or tea mug, and Anthropologie, of course, has the best mugs. Of course, they have the tile mugs. Everybody loves those, but I really like this floral collection they currently have. And one of the options is, it says mom in flowers on the mug. I think it's beautiful and it's very affordable. I think it's lovely. A little more expensive, but something everybody's been talking about, and I might actually just go buy for myself, is the Pura Diffuser Starter Set. It is this really cool electronic, it's gonna replace your Glade air freshener. Basically, it's an electronic air freshener, plugs into the wall, and you can control it via an app on your phone. You can put multiple fragrances in there. You can set it to be on at certain times and off at certain times, cycle through different fragrances. What I really like is the fragrance selection. Far better than what you're gonna get at Bath and Body Works? That's a hard one. Or even like through Glade or Febreze, because they have scents from really big, well-known fragrance companies like Nest, and then they just have really good fragrances. So that is on sale, 20% off. So I thought that was a great time to pick it up either for yourself or as a gift. And then if you're looking for just something fun, I really like this idea. It's like a spin on an advent calendar. It's called Beauty in Bloom Mother's Day Set, and it's just 10 kind of generous sample sizes of various beauty products that they offer at Anthropologie. And maybe you could have your mom go through all 10 days, ask her what her favorite was, and then go back and buy the full size of the one she really liked. I think it's a great gift for someone who has a ton of beauty stuff already and maybe doesn't want to be overwhelmed by a bunch of larger size things. So it would be fun to kind of go through smaller size items, but I just want to make sure that you're aware that the items are definitely small. So read the description. Now we're moving on to one of my all-time favorite retailers, my go-to for skincare, Colleen Rothschild. Now, I have a code that is good all the time. It's GoldGirl20 and it gives you 20% off site-wide unless something is on sale already. They are offering 15% off right now for Mother's Day. My code is better, so I mean, it's up to you, but I would use my code. Now, they do have a few specially priced bundles that are priced better than my current discount code, so I wanted to highlight those because I also think they make really good Mother's Day gifts. The first one is the Body Butter Trio. I've spoken about this before. You get 3 of their body butters, which smell incredible really quickly. It's the honey vanilla scent, the Tahitian Manoi scent, and then my personal favorite is, what do they call it? It's warm amber. If you're familiar with the scent of their hair conditioner, their hair mask, same scent. It's amazing. And you can only get the smaller size of this in this Body Butter Trio. Hard day today. It's normally $54, and then during this sale, you can get it for $39. Also, they're offering their Exploration collection, which is a variety of deluxe size skincare. It includes a Terry hair wrap and things like the Intense Hydrating Mask, the Matcha Tea Toner, the Micro Mineral Resurfacing Scrub, my personal favorite, and a pretty good size of the Balancing Gel Cleanser. I think I can't remember if there's more or not. That is linked. If you hit the link in my description box, you'll get the full description on their site. This is normally $65 during the sale. It's $49. And then the hair care, like the trial and travel size set, it comes with a microfiber scrunchie. And then, you know, there's one more thing that comes with it, but I'm using it upstairs. It's the hair serum, the shampoo and conditioner, and the new styling cream all come in this kit. And again, it's normally $65, $49 during the sale. And then the last one, which is always a huge hit. Everyone who's ever purchased this from a recommendation from me has always let me know how much they've loved it, or whoever they got it for really loved it. And it is her Discovery collection. This is how it comes. I'll insert a picture. I don't want to open this because I'm holding this for a future giveaway. I'd like to give it away to one of you, but not today. I'm gonna surprise you later with it. That contains a whole bunch of other perennial bestsellers, including Radiant Cleansing Balm and the Face Oil No. 9, and the best travel bag I've ever had. And normally it's $95, but during the sale it's $69. And then if you want to get one standout item from Colleen Rothschild, you don't want to deal with the kits and all that, I highly recommend getting the Radiant Cleansing Balm. It is so luxurious, it is so decadent, and it is an incredible product. It is a great gift. Use the 20% off code there. It's a better deal. It seems a little bit cliche, but perfume is always a good bet. There are so many options, but I did see something come through Ulta. I just got their mailer the other day, and they are offering a whole bunch of fragrance sets that I think are fantastic. It's a full-size bottle of the perfume, and then it comes with either the travel spray or a roller ball in the same scent. I think it's fabulous. 2 of my favorites. I just need to buy it. The first is Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. I think it's their #1 best-selling scent at Ulta. Every time I go into Ulta, I spray myself with it. I love the scent. Still haven't bought the bottle. The other one, if you remember, I talked about this months ago. It's the newest scent from Giorgio Armani. It's called My Way. Let me go get the bottle. I don't know why I didn't just have it here to begin with, but this bottle is so pretty all by itself. And then it comes with the purse travel spray as well. It's really grown up, lovely daytime scent, but I think it just is really pretty to sit on the dresser. Obviously use it, but it's multifunctional. It smells good and it looks good too. These days we have so many pictures on our phones, but we never print them out. We never take the time to get them framed. So I think a really great gift for Mother's Day is a framed photo. And I have 2 frame options. If you want to go way high end, you can use my 25% off discount at GiGi New York. They have beautiful leather frames. I am partial to, there's a rose gold kind of shiny crinkle leather, and then there's a snake print that's very neutral but very pretty. They have a variety of frames. That would be at the extreme end. If a lot more budget friendly is this one. It's an acrylic frame from Amazon held together with magnets. The cheapest option, like in the smallest size, I think is $9. And the largest size, which goes up to, I think it's 8 by 12, is $34 or $35. So a lot more budget friendly. This is a picture of me when I was very, very small. That's me at 2 with my grandmother at Thanksgiving. I don't know why I'm pouting, but there I am. And that was my natural hair color as a child. So you know, just helping it along, get back to my roots, so to speak. Another cliche for Mother's Day, of course, is flowers. And I have 2 ideas for you, one fresh and one faux. I recently found out about this, well, it's new to me. And I will admit, I have not ordered from there, so definitely read some reviews, but I saw this, I'm like, that is a really good idea, and the price point is really good. I think it's called Fresh For You flowers. I'll have the true name down in the description box. They seem like beautiful flowers for reasonable prices. I believe they're offering 20% off certain bouquets, and even without the 20% off, it looked like a really good deal. However, I'm a big fan of faux flowers, or fake if you will. You know how much I love the tulips from Amazon. They don't have this exact color right now, but that's constantly changing. These look so lifelike that when I went and bought a bunch of flowers from Trader Joe's to put in vases for the girls' brunch I had the other day, Michael looked at these and said, well, those will open up pretty soon, right? And I'm like, no, they're fake. Although what's funny is that this one it opened like by itself. I have no idea why. So it kind of throws people off into thinking it's real. But I would suggest getting one of these bouquets from Amazon. There are 20 tulips in the pack. And then go to Home Goods. Get a pretty vase there. It'll be like 10 bucks max. And it'll live forever, so to speak. Your mother will love it. Let's finish it up with a couple more cliches, starting with Kendra Scott. You cannot go wrong getting your mom anything from Kendra Scott or asking for anything from Kendra Scott. I'm wearing something from their newest collection. It is their butterfly line. They have this necklace with different stones. They have one with little tiny butterflies all along a gold chain. They recently came out with a birthstone collection, which I think is so neat. They have options for every month in semi-fine jewelry, like for March, they have actual aquamarines. They have beautiful studs and small pendants. The studs are $88. I believe the necklace is about $120, maybe a little bit less. So that's a little more high end, but then they also have for each month just the normal Kendra Scott stones in the coordinating color that looks like, for instance, it's a light blue for March, and they have both the studs and the pendant necklaces there. So I've linked all of those below. And then lastly, usually the gift that I get every year is something from Soma. This started years and years ago, long before I ever started working with them. I am currently a Soma ambassador. I don't have any gift codes for you or anything, sorry. But anything from Soma is going to be loved, but right now they're offering some really good deals on the Cool Nights pajamas. They have their Cool Nights pajama sets for $49. They have really pretty spring prints right now. I have my eye on a couple myself. And then you cannot go wrong with a robe. I know there's a whole Saturday Night Live skit about it and people like poo-poo it, but honestly, I love a good robe. I have a whole collection. The Cool Nights robes, of course, are my favorite as we go into the warmer months. They just released a new one, this beautiful, it's white with this beautiful, bold floral print. I love it. And then if you want a traditional, really cozy, fluffy spa-like one, they've brand new from their Restore collection. It's just a terry, fluffy white robe. And it's luscious and luxurious, and I'm sure would be loved. If you wanted to really splurge, go get some Bath & Body products and add that in there too. Okay, that is my full list of Mother's Day ideas. Hopefully this helped you narrow down your selection or help you come up with some ideas to give the people in your life that want to gift you with something. I'm hoping that something caught your eye. If you have any more suggestions, we all can help each other out. Leave those down in the comments below. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you next with April favorites. Until then, have a great week and thank you so much for hanging out with me. See you in the next one. Bye.